Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video today on some vocabulary words. We're going to go over 5 vocabulary words today that you should know in English. 5 brand new vocabulary words. But before we get started, as always guys, please like my page and also hit that subscribe button for me if you have not already done so. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. We're going to go over 5 brand new vocabulary words. The first word is busy. Busy. Busy is when your mind is active and focused on one thing. You're busy with that activity and cannot pay attention to anything else. Let's use this word in a sentence, the word busy. I cannot meet you tonight because I am busy at the office today. Let's look at the next word, bored. Do you get bored? I get bored sometimes, but not often. Let's look at this word, bored. When you feel that you have nothing to do and nothing around you is interesting. So you get bored, you want to do something. Let's use this word bored in a sentence. She stayed home during the weekend and became very bored because she had nothing to do. She was bored. We all get bored sometimes. We need to keep our minds active, like learning English. Let's look at the next word, annoyed. Annoyed. I think just about everybody get annoyed with something in their life at one time or another. Do you get annoyed sometimes? I get annoyed sometimes, of course. When you are moderately or when you're somewhat angry at somebody. You're angry at somebody for something. Chances are that they annoyed you with something. They cut you off in the car. You're driving and they cut you off in the car and you're annoyed at that person. Let's use this word annoyed in a sentence. She was so annoyed that he kept making jokes while she was speaking. He wasn't taking her seriously. Pleased. Pleased. At one time or another, we all get pleased about something. Pleased is when you feel happy about something. You're happy. And you're glad the way things are turning out. You're satisfied and you feel contentment. Let's use the word pleased in a sentence. The boss was so pleased with his new employee that he gave him a raise and more money. And the last word, excited. Do you get excited sometimes? We all get excited sometimes at one point or another. Excitement or excited, you're excited is an excitement, that feeling you get when you know something good is about to happen. Let's use this word excited in a sentence. The children were excited on Christmas morning because they had brand new gifts to open. They were excited to open their Christmas gifts. Well, that's the English vocabulary lesson today, guys. Again, please like my page and also hit that subscribe button for me if you have not already done so. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. And I will see you during the next English exercise. Go out there and make it a great day, guys.